So there's a myth that you gain weight as you get older. And we see it all the time. We look around and everyone that we see as we get older is putting on a couple of pounds. You know, we get past the freshman 15, then it's 25, extra 25. You get in your 30s and it's tough to be fit in your 30s. Well, I'm gonna show you how age really doesn't matter when it comes to you gaining body fat and how you can reverse it or reset it. So stick around and I'll show you how we can make this specific to you. So first thing you want to know is it's not that you're older. What happens is this little complex system called your metabolism. There's a couple things that go into it, but over time, these things get busted. So let's hypothetically say that your body is like this sink. Now, when you put water in the sink, it's basically like putting in food in your body. But over time, we eat junk food, we eat processed foods, and we start to eat like trash, and it gets clogged in the sink. Right? So our sink starts to get a clog in it. Now, over time, it starts to damage our hormones and insulin and everything else until the water level starts to rise. And every year that goes by, we gain a little bit more weight. Now we can do a couple of things, because you know, as I know, this sink is filling up with water, which means we're gaining body fat by the second. We could bucket it out, right? Like that might work. And that would be like doing cardio. Now this is gonna work short term for lowering the water level. But all this cardio, as soon as we stop, the water level's still rising. That didn't work. We could eat less, right? And that would be like turning down how much water is going into the faucet. But you and I both know this water level is still rising. So what do? We're gaining weight every single year. We're eating less. We're doing a bunch of cardio. How do we fix it? It seems like a no-brainer right now to just remove the clog, right? Now, once you remove the clog, all of a sudden, the water level starts to go lower. Everything's functioning the way it should. You can even add more water. It doesn't matter. It's still draining properly. And what this means is your hormones are optimized. Think about animals in the wild. How many animals in the wild that never eat processed food do you see that are overweight? It doesn't happen. It's not until you introduce those processed foods, those starchy foods, those inflammatory foods that we can't break down, that we start to gain weight, that we get clogged up. Now, if you want to reset your body, your metabolism, and remove your clog so you can actually lose body fat like all of our clients do, click the link above my head, and one of us here at Reset You will get on a one-on-one phone call, and we will teach you how to remove your clog. Now, here's the thing. On this call, we're going to go over to do it specifically to you. There is no one-size-fits-all program. If there was, we'd have already done it. There isn't. It's very specific. It has to be specific to you, your body, what type of clog you have, how much of a clog there is, how many years of damage this clog has caused. But when we know all that information, we can build you a plan for success. The call is completely free, doesn't cost you anything. And, you know, if you're a good fit for us, we might actually accept you into our family and make you a Reset You client. Make sure you guys share this if you learned something. See ya.